Congratulations MG on completing 100 years. Wishing you another 100 of great products and great service and customer delight.
It has been really a good collaboration with MG on enabling these EV chargers at Vajra, Jasmine County. Hope we'll have a great collaboration going further.
We are very happy that MG has installed 4 charging stations in our community. Seeing this charging station, a lot of other people will be purchasing cars here.
Today we have inaugurated 4 chargers at Vajra Jasmine Society, one of the premium community of Hyderabad. So MG Charge is an initiative where MG has taken 1,000 charges in 1,000 days, and people are loving this initiative. MG is completing 100 years as a global brand, and congratulations MG.